Right, next kit. Now this one I know I've had a play about with. I've tried a little bit. This is watercolours. Learn to watercolour. So, again from the Works. Most of my kits are from the Works. So we have the essentials and different instructions and help on how best to water paint and stuff. And then as you can see, yes, I have used this a little bit to start painting, and I started painting, I'll pick that up in a moment, I started painting this butterfly. Just take that out. Let's take that out of the box. So yeah, we've got a couple of brushes. Push the brushes in. So yeah, a couple of brushes. I've got loads of paint brushes at home in general anyways. So just stick them in. Into my paints. And then these are the different cards. So as you can see, I've already started painting this one, and then I haven't painted any more for the moment, but I will carry on and paint a bit more. I need to perhaps go over the outline as well. And then this is another one, same design. We have this didn't realise that had been left like that. But yeah, we have this vase and flowers design. Looks like there's two of each card, and then a stream design, a bridge over a babbling stream as well. So there are these. Those are the cards as I can use to paint. Different design. Coloured pictures on. And like I said, we've got again all the different instructions and everything. Ideas of how to paint it and different things. So again, that's quite cool. Again, I'll get round to having a bit more play and doing it on camera, and maybe finish that butterfly off. Insect anyways. I'm not sure if it's really a butterfly or something. Yeah, but anyways, I'll finish that off later, but that's another kit.